Oh! Hanga!
Oh, that's all, man.
A stiff breast!
I want you to watch it, man. Just man.
I want to pop me a kuman and me want onion.
Oh my God!
Say you can't find one tomato too.
Oh!
What's the pay? I want tomato, my friend.
Say an onion.
No, I'm not an onion.
Not Bascalian.
No.
Say no find Bascalian, man.
I'm not a skeleton. You want tomato, you want onion, you want skeleton. I'm not having none of them this thing.
Alright, Panga,
We
thanks
need
everything.
some
Thanks.
Now come here.
Panga wa. I want panga.
Jesus, nothing I go on there.
Oh!
The one the next door neighbor me have. You know, early the girl come and knock me up big piece of onion.
I said, beggy,
One
beggy, girl,
tomato. You know, like fair man I get money.
She beggy. Me think I be alone. She do so she not do some man that.
That me as a clutch.
She early night 5 o'clock you want to she and knock on the door.
And I started to keep my phone, but I ain't going to do.
Onion. You're gonna onion and tomato. You're gonna tomato skeleton and time. No, man, not get
I'm
much.
going to come out and pot pick up.
No. Everything to come big.
Oh!
I alone.
We let more move out of the yard soon. You can't imagine never yard.
Oh God, me belly.
Oh!
Panga, big up his satisfaction now, please. Me belly move, big up his satisfaction.
Yeah, I cannot tell that.
Please, big up his satisfaction. Me now know this one, come on, give me peace. Me belly. Sandy satisfaction, give me.
Oh my
Come in my son big. How we have this satisfaction?
It's not to wipe your bottom.
You show me a bigger